To rekey, just push the two little tabs in, remove the plate, remove your batteries. And you take it up, and you have to carefully remove the electrical connector. Then the two mounting bolts. Carefully feed through your wire. And we'll see from the front here, you just pull off the unit. This cylinder will come out. We have to remove, this is the lazy tailpiece. So it takes the SC1 or the 5-pin Schlage C. Depress the retainer pin. Left to loosen. And we have, this is 3 pieces actually. End cap, a little washer, and the tailpiece. We have here, we have the end cap pin, and this is only pointy on one side, flat on one side, pointy the other. And always get this out, the little tiny spring here. If you don't take it out, it's going to fall out on you. It shims nicely, but because we have the key, we will put the key in, turn it 45 degrees, take your follower, push it on the back, we can push it out, and there's our pins. Now we could reuse them if we wanted. There's the codes is engraved right on the key, 5-pin C. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Schlage key, an original, and there's the code, 66245. I just dump these. Yeah. I don't reuse the old pins. And I'm going to use a lab kit because I like the lab. And it's a direct code on here, so I got 662. Here's a Schlage 6 is a 255. I go to 255. I got 66. Geez, I'm running low on that one. And I got a 2. Schlage 2 is a 195. Right there it says 195. And on the direct code is a 4 and a 5. A 4 is a 225. 225. And our final number is a 4, is a 240. And you see all the way across, it's flush. So this has keyed up perfectly to the Schlage specs. Now let's take it in at a 45-degree angle. Insert the plug. Now, when you turn this, we know it turns, it's perfect. Put your thumb there, and you got to aim up, top dead center. So if you pull this, it's going to go flying. And then we're going to take that. Now what I want to do, I'm going to check real quick. Let's see what's inside this. What sort of top pins did they put in? Did they put in, are they just regular top pins or anything special? So what do we got? Nope, nothing, there are no mushroom pins. As we know, even if you have mushroom pins, it's no big deal. We can still pick it. So there's no mushroom pins in here, nothing special. It's just plain. Take out our key. Put in the end cap spring. The end cap pin is pointy on one side, flat on the other, pointy side up. I'm going to That only goes one way. So this is the end cap with the tailpiece. And you see you have to depress the pin, the retainer pin, just push her down. And righty tighty, so go right to tighten. Now one of the big problems beginners do, they put this thing mostly too loose or too tight. So I'm gonna go finger tight. I'm gonna back it off. One click, let's see what happens. Make sure the retainer pin is engaged into the end cap. If you don't, it's gonna slowly loosen and it's gonna give the customer lots of trouble. So if we got this thing perfect, key goes in and it comes out perfect. So perfect. Now once I put it back on the door, I'll lubricate it. I like to use Triflow. Do not use WD-40. WD-40 is a good penetrating oil. It is not a lubricant. So let's reinstall this lock. Pretty simple. Now this is, you can master key this lock. Don't forget some locks, specifically the smart keys, cannot be, and it's the tailpiece is pretty easy. It only goes in one way. So feed in your wire. Put the tailpiece into there. We're going to turn around here. We're going to feed, this one says against door. So I'm going to feed in my cable. I'm going to take the screws here. I start them finger tight. See, I got this on low torque, so I'm not going to over torque it. I missed. Aha. What happened is I pushed it out. So hold your finger on this side. Make it flush. Then start our screws. I'm holding the cylinder in. And we want them snug. We don't want them over tight. Now I put it on, this is on a really low torque setting, but what I do is give it a little turn. Now before I throw it all back together again, I just want to make sure it looks good. Check out the new keys. They're all good. Let's check one of my other keys. They're good. And now we have to put the cable back on. Red to red. Okay, she's in. Feed the cable. It's got a little spot down the side. Feed the cable through there. This way it won't get pinched. Line this up. There we go. Put in my two little mounting screws. Mounting bolts. And let's put our batteries back in. Clip in nicely. Now let's just check it before I go. Make sure it locks on me. Everything's hooked up good. Everybody's happy. Just this clips back on. There we go. It's keyed up.